isang pamilya na medyo sira ang mga ulo. At ang lahat ng to ay aking tatandaan, ang bawat yugto ng ating samahan. Hindi malilimutan, panahon ng kasiyahan, nasa puso at isipan kailanman. May asaran at suntukan, may tawanan at inuman, at marami pang ibang sari-saring mga alaala. Bawat isa ay nagpatibay ng pagkakaibigang tunay, at habang buhay nang hindi mawawala. Pagkat lahat ng to ay aking tatandaan, ang bawat yugto ng ating samahan. Hindi malilimutan, panahon ng kasiyahan, nasa puso at isipan kailanman. At kahit matanda na tayo, wala pa rin masyado nagbago. May pamilya man o trabaho, mukha pa rin kayong mga gago. At ang lahat ng to ay aking tatandaan, ang bawat yugto ng ating samahan. Hindi malilimutan, panahon ng kasiyahan, nasa puso at isipan kailanman. At ang lahat ng to ay aking tatandaan, ang bawat yugto ng ating samahan. Hindi malilimutan, panahon ng kasiyahan, nasa puso at isipan kailanman. Nasa puso at isipan kailanman.
Batch 95! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Roslyn Gaspe ng CPRES. Ang aming advisor ay si Ma'am Marilu Apostol de Jesus. Magandang gabi po. Magandang gabi rin po sa ating mga butihing teachers. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyo sa paggabay at sa mga pagtuturo nyo sa amin nung kami ay high school. Maraming salamat po. At maraming salamat din sa ating mga organizers at coordinators na nagbuo ng napakaganda nating reunion every time sa ating batch. Congratulations sa inyo. Sana huwag kayong magsawa. At ever since nung first reunion pa natin, nung very first one, na napaka-successful. Ang galing ng batch 95. Sana magkaroon pa rin tayo ng mga ganitong pagkakataon na salo-salo para at least once in a while magkikita-kita pa rin tayo. Anyway, congratulations ulit sa ating 30th anniversary and enjoy the party. Bye!
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Josephine De Assis. Dati po akong second year Emerald, third year Fuchsia, at saka fourth year Cypress. Gusto ko lang po bumati ng happy 30th po sa ating lahat, and many more years to come. Salamat din po sa mga organizers at saka mga teachers na involved. Ang galing ng batch talaga natin. Sana next time makarating na ako dyan. Next reunion. Okay. Salamat po. Best wishes po sa ating lahat.
Bonjour! Ako po si Michelle Galia from Section Verge. Bumabati po sa inyo ng happy 30th anniversary. Enjoy the celebration. Happy New Year. God bless us all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Paterno Agosto ng Section Aspen. I would like to congratulate all the organizers for bringing this awesome event together. Napakalaking pagsisikap ang ginugugol para magawa ang ganitong event. Napakagaling nyo guys. I would like to greet all our teachers as well. You are a big part of what we are and what we have become. Sa lahat ng aking mga kabatchmates, I would like to wish a lot of happiness, long life, and good health. Looking forward to see you all in the future.
Hello, welcome to Carnival Panama. My name is Ronald Alberto Agcanao. I came from Session Aspen. To those people who doesn't know me yet or maybe forgotten my name, I came from Parañaque Municipal High School batch in 1995. To all the people whose undying dedication to make an effort and everything they did for the upcoming 30th year anniversary of our school, I would like to extend their gratitude and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to everyone. Bye!
Ako nga pala si Donel Anthony Dublin. Bumabati sa inyo ng happy 30th year anniversary sa ating eskwelahan na Parañaque Municipal High School. Nandito ako ngayon sa Batters, New Brunswick. Welcome to Batters.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat, sa mga taga PMHS Baclaran dyan. My name is Marcos Apalit. Happy 30th anniversary po sa atin sa PMHS Baclaran. And salamat po sa mga teachers, salamat po sa mga schoolmate, classmate natin dyan na dumalo. Sana po makadalo po ako sa ibang sa future, near future. And God bless po sa inyong lahat. Enjoy the evening and take care. Stay healthy. Thank you very much.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Annalyn Manyaka. Bumabati po ng Happy 30th Anniversary Batch 95. Wish ko po sa ating lahat more success, happiness, good health, and sana mag-enjoy po kayo and have fun.
Guys, and I just want to extend my gratitude and being blessed to be part of this occasion. Happy 30th anniversary to our batch, and to all my teachers and co-student and also batchmate. And how I wish I was there also to celebrate, but I'm so thankful even I was not there. You make me a part of it. So I'm blessed and thank you for the coordinators and some of my batchmates who has been there and also called me to make this simple note. And gusto ko magpasalamat sa batch natin, sa lahat ng taong tumulong during the pandemic time. Hindi ko na po kayo iisa-isahin, and alam niyo na po kung sino kayo. Thank you for all the help during my duday on crisis, especially sa mga tumulong financially and also sa prayers niyo. Nakatulong sila sa anak ko at sa akin din as well. And thank you sa lahat. Thank you. Hindi ko na kayo iisa-isahin. Alam niyo po kung sino kayo at bahala na po ang Diyos na mag-bless sa inyo sa pagkakaroon nyo ng magandang puso. I said to myself in return, would give back. Sinabi ko yun talaga sa sarili ko na if I had the chance to return or to give back, I will do. So I'm so happy. I was blessed being given this chance. So thank you sa lahat ng kabatchmate ko, sa coordinator, sa mga classmates ko, Section Pine. Thank you very much for all the prayers. Alam niyo na yun. Ang laki-laki na tulong niyo sa akin. So, thank you very much. Naiyak ako kasi tuwing naalala ko yun, I'm so grateful. Those people I don't expect to give hand. So, thank you very much for all the help. And to our batch, happy anniversary. Should be happy, di ba? Hindi dapat naiyak. So, sorry. Thank you very much. And happy anniversary. Enjoy your day and have a blessed New Year to all of you. So, thank you very much and happy anniversary to all my teachers. Thank you who molded me, who supported me also. And for those, my advisor from Section 11, Miss Mangahas, I think, Sircon, Section Sircon also, and Magenta, and Section Pine. So, thank you very much and have a great day. God bless. Bye. Thank you.
Hello. Good afternoon. It's 2:46 here in California, in the city of Bellflower. Thank you so much, Ruby, for reaching out to me para makapagbigay ako sa inyo ng not message, kundi parang thank you. Thank you for reaching out to me. At sana anuman ang celebration na ginagawa ninyo, it will make you happy and look forward for other reunion you will have in the future. I'm so glad na magkaroon ako ng time to spend with you kahit man lang sa video. And I'm so happy na you are getting yourselves together to meet one another and have fellowship in love and in everything. Sabi nga when you are in the service of your fellow being, you are in the service of your God. At nagpapasalamat ako that I still have time to, talk to you or meet you, even sa video man lang, para maipahatid ko sa inyo. Nagpapasalamat ako at naging bahagi kayo ng buhay ko. I'm not supposed to be a teacher by profession, but God put me in this place para to be able to serve you, meet you, and be a part of your success. Just continue to be good people. Bigay nyo ng halaga ang pamilya nyo because that's the best thing, pamilya. At ano man ang darating sa inyo, count it all joy. because it is God who is blessing you. Not your own strength, but God is blessing you because He loves you. I love you all. Take care and God bless.